Attention, all WordPress website owners, bloggers and marketers. AiGPT for WordPress is finally here. Create unlimited blog posts, articles and SEO content in just one click. One-click WordPress plugin. Creates unlimited content for any site. Rank in Google, Yahoo, Bing and YouTube newbie-friendly. Fully tested, no tech skills needed. Every WordPress site on the planet needs this. Get instant access to AiGPT today. All you need to do is one click and any article you want will be ready in seconds without any manual work. From the desk of Ankur Shukla. Dear website owner, do you know what the most difficult part about running a blog or a WordPress site is? It's creating all the content you need to rank higher, get traffic, get leads and grow your site. You can either do it yourself or you can hire a content writer. Write it yourself. Use terrible writing software, does not create unique content. Copy from other websites. All these methods are risky, expensive and very time-consuming. That is why we created a software that brings AiGPT right inside your WordPress site and writes unique content for you on any topic you want. Blog posts, SEO articles, website content, YouTube video scripts, podcast content, explainer video scripts, recipes, technical documentation, question answers for interviews, resumes and cover letters, LinkedIn profile content, product descriptions for Amazon, Shopify stores, product reviews, testimonials, emails and thank you notes, presentation content, book content, image captions, and almost anything you can imagine, it can write for you. Thanks to AiGPT plugin, AiGPT for WordPress is here. Introducing AiGPT AiGPT for WordPress. Create AI content on any topic in 60 seconds. Get instant access to AiGPT today. Here's what some pro WordPress users are saying about this. Get instant access to AiGPT right now. This AI writes any kind of content, on any topic for you. Imagine not having to worry about ranking in Google using content anymore. Imagine spending just seconds writing content for your WP site. Just click one button and have any kind of content ready for you without any work. Imagine being able to refresh old content on your site and bring it back to life in just one click. What would it feel like to be able to save thousands of dollars you would pay a content writer? How awesome would it be to be able to write unlimited content in just a few clicks? You'll never manually write content ever again. No need to research topics to write about anymore. No more making huge investments into content writing anymore. No more crazy, time-consuming manual writing anymore. Absolutely no life-draining tech skills required to make this software work for you. Never again you'll have to do boring, manual work ever again. And no more hard-to-follow, complicated training materials that makes pull you hair out. We've made everything extremely simple. Using AiGPT is as easy as 1-2-3. This is a plugin that has been loved by our customers and used to create over 6,000 articles in the last few weeks. All you have to do is Step 1 download the AiGPT plugin. Step 2 upload to your site and activate it. Step 3 enter your topic and click on Generate Content. And boom! A fresh, unique article will be ready right inside your site. In under 60 seconds, right in front of you. No more spending hours writing content manually anymore. This is super simple. Get instant access to AiGPT right now.